guys.
Hi.
Good morning.
It's day 3 today.
And we're going for trekking today. Half of us are sick. We haven't slept.
And we need sleep.
Yeah,
Give
we're
us sleep.
sleeping. Oh, I cannot zoom.
We just slept for like 4.5 hours. That's
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
And it's a 2-hour ride. We just left from our hotel.
Yeah.
And we'll update you. Bye-bye.
Bye. So we just completed the zipline and the ATV ride, and like our hands are like paining because like we had to press the accelerator.
It was for
so
like
hard.
almost 3 kilometers, I think.
Yeah.
It was nice. It was fun. Zipline was very boring and stupid, but yeah. Now we'll go for rafting, and that's gonna be 5 kilometers. So let's see.
When you are on rafting level 3, you will be like,
So we just finished all of our activities. We did the zipline, then we did the ATV ride.
And then we did river rafting.
Then we did river rafting, which was nice. River rafting 5 kilometers is
It's
good.
very nice.
Then
7
they
kilometers is
ask
not
you,
worth it.
yeah. Then they ask you like if you want to do 2 more kilometers extra or 4 more, and you have to pay accordingly.
And
But
they-
it was not fun, so
and
I
then
would
they-
suggest everyone to do just
yeah.
the 5 one.
And they tell you that they're giving you discount for like around 500 baht, and they tell you oh it's 2,000 and all, but doesn't look like it because they are giving us like discount as well from the start because that's their price.
Yeah, and then we had lunch. We didn't have lunch actually. It was so bad. There are no veg options. Don't select a package which includes lunch. It's just very bad.
If you enjoy Thai
Even-
food, you will
Yeah,
enjoy the non-veg.
only then you will like the lunch
yeah, it's
included
not
in the
that great.
package. Otherwise, no. And yeah, now we'll just head back home.
We are walking towards Patong Beach to see if we have parasailing or anything to relax.
I don't know. It might.
It might.
Hi. So we've come to the Patong Beach and we're going parasailing. And yeah, let's experience how it is going to be.
You photo.
say hi.
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 Excited. It's so tight I cannot walk.
Exploring